First, use the OBD cable to connect the tablet, GODIAG test platform, and CAS4. And then power on after completing the steps. Next, we start operating the tablet. Select IMO. Select BMW. System selection. Immobilizer. CAS4. Key operation. Key learning. Learning via OBD. Then select the 8th blank ID. Click OBD Read SK. When seeing a warning, click OK to continue. No working key, click No. Enter the ISIN code read by other devices. Click OK to continue. Return to the previous interface and click Right key. Then the tablet reminds us to put in the new key. We use KM100 to generate a new key. Select BMW 5. Follow the prompts to select the 315HZ key. After the generation is completed, return to the main interface to identify it. We can see that the new key has been successfully generated, and it shows not locked. Then we put the generated key into GODIAG test platform. Click OK. And you can see that the key is generated successfully. Then we click the button on the GODIAG test platform. The key can light up the analog dashboard light. It means the key has successfully generated. Finally, let's use KM100 to identify the key. It shows locked.